Welcome to all in this session. I hope that all are fine here. It's our request from all traders that trade with SL and money management. And always use 1 to 2% risk of your capital. As we can see, our trend is running in up direction. Let's see our weekly opportunity. And currently market is on major support zone. We are expecting up move in this week. And we can see here continuation pattern. We have to wait for breakout. We have here two scenarios. Wait for proper breakout, after retest trade with confirmation. Gold is running in range for many days. We can see here. Let's find our trade opportunity. As we can see, that market got rejected from this major resistance zone. And market also break this support zone. Wait for proper retest and trade with bearish evidence. And this support zone will be our target. Let's see an H4 time frame. In this time frame, trend was running up. Last Friday, trend was broken. We can see break of structure. Wait for market to retest this resistance zone and trade with bearish evidence. If market won't make any bearish evidence here, so ignore this setup, that time. We can see D1 trend is in down direction. Let's see our weekly opportunity. And market is still running within major support and resistance zone. Wait for clear breakout of this pattern, and after retest trade with confirmation. Let's see an H4 time frame. This is our first scenario. Our second scenario, wait for breakout of trend line. After retest trade with bearish evidence. D1 trend direction is running down. Let's find our weekly opportunity. Here we can see that market near to its major resistance zone. We can also see this is significant support and resistance zone. Wait for market to test this resistance zone. And trade with bearish evidence here. And this support zone will be our target. Let's see H4 time frame. We have this major support and resistance on this time frame also. After test of this resistance zone, trade with bearish evidence. As we can see, trend is running in down direction. Okay, let's see our upcoming trade opportunity. Here we can see that market near to its major resistance zone. Wait for market to test this resistance zone and trade with bearish evidence here. We can see that our major trend is in up direction. But in recent days, market also performed range move. Market breakout was done, but it came inside again. Okay, let's see our trade opportunity. We have here evening star candlestick pattern. After some retest, trade with confirmation.